Hi, hosts. This is Sue. I wanted to go over how to invite to a table party. So, Table is the Pampered Chef party platform. We call that the entree of the meal. This is where there's going to be tips, recipes, products, videos, and more. Everything that your guests want to see are going to be there, and it's going to be available for them to view in about 3 to 5 minutes. So, it's one-stop shopping. When they get into your table party, if they click the Shop Now link in there, it goes directly to the link for your party. So we want guests to be in the table party. Our goal is to have about 25 people that actually join the party. So that usually takes about 40 or 50 invitations, and they need to be individual invitations, whether you text your friends or whether you Facebook message them one at a time or you email them. They do not need to be on social media to join the party. So that's a good thing. And you want to do it personally. You don't want to do a group chat. That would be like going into a crowded room and yelling, "Hey, does anybody want to come over and have dinner?" Nobody's going to reply. But if you go to somebody individual and say, "Hey, I'm having a dinner party tomorrow night. Would you like to come?" You're more likely to get people to join. So we want to do that. We will also do a Facebook element to your party as well because people are familiar with Facebook, but that is more like the appetizer of the appetizer and dessert of the party. We're going to play a few games in there. I'm going to keep telling them to come over to table, come over to table, come over to table. So our goal is to get everybody into table, but we will do some fun things on Facebook and do maybe a Facebook Live so that people can see the products in process. If you have any questions, please let us know. Also, there is a section called Chit Chat, and that is like Facebook when you post and people can comment on it. We want you as the host to go in and to make the first welcome post. We'll have a welcome post in there for you, but we want you to go in and welcome your friends to the party so that they see you are in the party and you are posting. You don't have to be in the party all day long. If you pop in for 10 minutes each day during the party time, that would be enough. See if anybody has commented, make some comments or post yourself of videos or of products that you have in your own kitchen that you want to share with your friends. And I'll even give you some images that you can post if you need them. So just reach out to me and I'll be happy to send you some of those. If you have any questions, just give a shout. Okay? Thanks.